Hey everyone, welcome back. So I swore this was not going to be a slime channel, and it's still not entirely. But there are these things in Minecraft called slimes, and there is this thing in the slime world called jelly cube slime. And I thought, why not? Well, they're sort of calling to be combined. So that's what we're going to do today. You'll need a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, a knife to cut that with, then your typical slime supplies. I'm using contact solution, make sure it has boric acid in it, baking soda, oof, that just went everywhere. Not so typical slime supply, puff paint. I'm using black and silver. And then I am using some green Elmer's glitter glue, but you could instead use clear glue with green food coloring. So let's get started.